बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तमाम दोस्त खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। ये मैं ज़रा सुबह सुबह रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ, सो के उठाऊँ। आवाज़ थोड़ी सी ऐसी होगी, बोलता हूँ तो बेहतर हो जाएगी। हम पेपर हल कर रहे थे जनरल नॉलेज का, पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, एनटीएससी की जनरल नॉलेज की जितने भी क्वेश्चन है ना, वो तकरीबन 1000 तक है। वो पहली वीडियो मैंने अपलोड की थी, उसमें 315-16 तक किए थे। अब 317 से शुरू करके 600, 700, 800 तक अगले एमसीक्यूज हल करेंगे। ठीक है, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक कर लीजिए और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए। मैं कोशिश करके 2-4 दिन बाद नहीं तो रोजाना की बुनियाद पर आप तक वीडियो पहुंचाता रहूंगा। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। ये आप तैयार कर लेंगे, आप किसी भी पेपर में की तैयारी से करके हल कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अपना पहले पेपर की तरफ चलते हैं, एमसीक्यूज की तरफ। द लास्ट मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडेशन असेंबल्ड प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम वाज डायरेक्टेड अगेंस्ट बेंजीन आर्मी इज सीरिया एंड हेडेड बाय हजरत उसामा बिन जैद रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा। ठीक है, एन ऑर्डिनरी मोबाइल फोन कम्युनिकेशन बाय यूजिंग रेडियो वेव्स। ठीक है, स्टॉक indications at Tokyo are known by their proposal name of Nikki। ठीक है, द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ उज्बेकिस्तान इज ताशकंद। ठीक है, the only Sahabi who was mentioned by name in Holy Quran is Hazrat Zaid bin Harith Radiallahu Ta'ala Anha. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan retired from the British service as a judge। ठीक है, ये यार मुझे थोड़ी सी कन्फ्यूजन, आप गूगल से कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है, कायद आजम वाज assisted in the information of his famous 14 points by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, who coined the name of Pakistan। चौधरी रहमत अली ने नाम रखा था 1933 में। ठीक है, द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज सिकंदर मिर्जा। ठीक है, the membership of Pakistan in the United Nations was opposed by Afghanistan, in which agreement the ceasefire line in Kashmir was named as a line of control। ठीक है, Shimla argument। ठीक है, identify the area which spread from the Tajikistan Wakhan। When was the state of Swat included in Pakistan? 1969। Para Chinar is the main town of South Waziristan। ठीक है, Umar Marvi is the folk story of Sindh। Who was convicted in Rawalpindi conspiracy case in 1951? फैज अहमद फैज, ये शायर हैं। ठीक है, The first census was held in Pakistan in the year 1959। दूसरे मेरे ख्याल में 1961 में हुए थे, 10 साल बाद होते हैं। माकली इज अ फेमस ग्रेवी यार्ड। ठीक है, अमीनुल उम्मत इज द टाइटल ऑफ हजरत अबू उबैदा बिन अल जर्राह रजी अल्लाह तआला अन्हा। Ummul Maskeen was the title given to Hazrat Zainab binte Huzaykna radiyallahu ta'ala anha। Arafat gathering is held in Zilhajj। The holy book Turat was revealed to Prophet Musa, peace be upon him। Okay, how long did the holy book Quran take for its complete revelation? 23 साल में। ठीक है, 7th month of Islamic calendar Rajab। What is the significance of 27 Rajab in the 10th year of prophethood? मिराज शरीफ हुआ था हिजरत के 10वें साल में। ठीक है। द मुस्लिम रूलर हु इंट्रोड्यूस जेल सिस्टम फॉर द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ प्रिजनर हजरत उमर। ठीक है। द मुस्लिम रूलर हु instituted the Islamic calendar from the year of the Prophet migration to Medina Hazrat Umar. Muslim offer namaz kusuf all the time of an asleep of sun। ਜਦੋਂ ਸੂਰਜ ਨੂੰ ਗ੍ਰਹਿਣ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਨਮਾਜ਼ ਕੁਸੂਫ ਅਦਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। Which one is the oldest religion? Hinduism. The best conductor of electricity is copper. Artificial dialysis is a substitute for kidneys. The largest organ of a human body is liver. A Human Rights Day is observed internationally on 10 December। ठीक है। Sana is the news agency of Syria. Sima is the old name of Thailand। Won the currency of South Korea. How promoted the modern nursing system? Florence Nightingale। Deficiency of vitamin C in the human body leads to teeth diseases। ठीक है। हड्डियां की बीमारी भी होती है। Horse power is the standard unit of power equal to 7746 watts। ठीक है। In 1994, Pakistan was the world champion of cricket, hockey and squash, snooker। Human rights organization Freedom House is based on Washington। Atom Peak is in Sri Lanka। Chris the Redeemer is among the seventh wonder of the world location Rio de Janeiro। Laissez-faire means a policy of non-interference by the states। Okay, which country is known as the Mistress of Seas? UK. Which country is largest virgin ad honor? Japan. Which was the first captain of Islamic Commonwealth? Medina। Which is the largest jungle of Pakistan? Changamanga। How many radio stations were working in Pakistan at the time of partition of subcontinent? 3 थे। When was the first woman bank established? Pakistan, 1st December 1989। Which newspaper topped the average daily circulation in the world? Yomiuri Shimbun। ठीक है। What was the name of the district in Switzerland cantons? Which is the second smallest country of the world? Monaco। दूसरा जो पहला है वो वेटिकन सिटी है। ठीक है। द लार्जेस्ट फोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान दैट इज रानी फोर्ट is situated near in the city of Hyderabad। Demo of Rock is located off Dam of Rock is located at Jerusalem। What is meant by dengue? Breakbone fever। ठीक है। dengue। After Ahmad Shah dynasty there rose a competition for control between Russians and British। SIM जो है stand for Subscribe Identity Module। What is the meaning of term annuity? Pension allowance। Which is the American state with most lakes? Alaska। Timbuktu city is in which African country? Mali। End of Eden book is written by Bahwal Khan। What is the meaning of Asar? Shelter, most abundant element crust in the earth, oxygen। The tragedy of Hundabia took place in 1628 AD। सुलह हदीबिया कब हुई थी? ठीक है। The Southern Cross is in southern region and at night listen how many stars in it? 5. Which gas has the same chemical composition of CNG biogas? Trachoma disease relative to blindness. Bastille Revolution was in the country 14 जुलाई 1789। ठीक है, मैं ज़रा जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ रहा हूँ कि एमसीक्यू ज़्यादा हल हो जाए। ठीक है, अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रही, कुछ कन्फ्यूजन है तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। ओके, चलते हैं आगे। हेड ऑफ बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड इज फ्रॉम द कंट्री कैनेडा। लैटिन टर्म सी जनरस मीन्स यूनिक। Which gas is used in the balloons? Helium or hydrogen? Name the largest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Superior. English Channel separates England from France. Again, Babylon is the famous city of Iraq. Again, Dardanelles state is located in Turkey. The USA consists of how many states? 50 रियासतें हैं. Name the first person who reached South Pole. Ronald Amundsen. Child labor is prohibited in which act? Act 1991. What is the circumference to Rada's 58? Pakistan set to Guinness World Record for tree planting. 15 4,100 uh, 50 15 lakh 14 100 176। ठीक है, what is the meaning of flaunt? Smooth. Who headed the cabinet mission? Lord Patrick Lawrence. The International Day of Disabled Person observed every year on 3rd December. Name the lower house of parliament of Malaysia is Diwan ne Diwane Rukat. World Not Tobacco Day is observed on 31 Tobacco Day, 31 May. Ontario Lake is situated in Italy. Which of the following countries led in the प्रोडक्शन ऑफ टी? चाइना। ठीक है, इसके बाद आ गया द लार्जेस्ट इम्पोर्टर ऑफ टी? पाकिस्तान। लैंड ऑफ सिल्वर फाइबर इज द निक नेम ऑफ पाकिस्तान। Wimbledon, known of lawn tennis court, is in London. Khyber Pass is 53 kilometer long. What is the highest Khyber Pass? हाइट कितनी है? 53 3517 feet. Bulan Pass is situated in Himalaya range. Kalkulata is situated on the bank of river Hungariya River. The second largest desert of the world is Albania Desert. Bali is an island of Indonesia. The Khilafat movement ended in 1924. Name the tree how wooden is used for the making cricket bats. Willow. ठीक है. Borjan Das was the first Asian to swim across the British Channel. The caves keepers and encouraged special of frogs found in the country Zimbabwe. In eye donation, which part of eye is used? Corona was the old name of Sugar Bridge. Lola Bridge. In which city is the headquarters of Interpol located? Lyon, France. Which device is used to send digital over cell lines? Modem. Which type of device is computer mouse input? Ethnology is the science of organs and history of world. Which Surah Quran is named after insects? Surah An-Naml. Satpakal Lake is located near Hunza. The last king of Afghanistan was Muhammad Zahar Shah. River Nile flows through which of the cities? Kahira. Watergate scandal led the downfall which President of the United States Richard Nixon. The tragedy of Versailles ended in the World War One. How built the Badshahi Mosque in 1673? बादशाह औरंगजेब, ठीक है। अगर the Indus water tragedy between India and Pakistan was brokered by World Bank, ठीक है। Who built the Badshahi mosques in औरंगजेब साहब ने बनाई थी। विच मार्शल इज यूज्ड मटेरियल इज यूज्ड मेकिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर चिप सिलिकॉन विच डिड लॉर्ड माउंटेन बैटन रिप्लेस इन 1947 एज ए वायसराय ऑफ इंडिया लॉर्ड वेवल which act was some amendments was adopted as the internal working constitution of Pakistan Government of India Act 1933 SHO stand for Station House Officer, ठीक है। ले जी SHO को स्टेशन हाउस ऑफिसर कहते हैं। PNG is a file extension of image. Who is the first Chief Justice of Pakistan? Abdul Rashid. Pakistan Afghanistan border Durand line was drawn in 1893. A new religious Dinul Illah was introduced that reconciling Hindus and Muslims by which Mughal Emperor Akbar. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch. Chenab meets river Jhelum as Tremuu. In terms of air, the biggest district of Punjab, Bahawalpur. Or ornithology is the scientific study of birds. The world famous Madmas Thousands Museum is located in London. Babri Mosque, which is demolished by Hindu extremists, is situated in the province state of Uttar Pradesh. Sharmeen Obaidi Chennai won an Oscar award for the second time for her documentary movie titled "Agree in the River". Decibel is the unit used for the intensity of sound. Helsinki is the capital of Finland. The first nuclear power plant in Pakistan was established at Karachi. When the first general election under the 1933 constitution were held, 1977. The book Jinnah of Pakistan is written by Senile Wolpert. Battle of Badr was fought in month of Ramadan. Which of the following internet search engine was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin? Google. In the world of computer science was the Linux an operating system. How many times Pakistan won the Blind Cricket World Cup? 2 दफा। दूसरा गिनी वाला जीते 1 दफा। Alzheimer's is the neurological disease. What does Hijrul Aswad means? Black stone. The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. Which chemical is tobacco? Causes as a smoker to the dedicate to the smoking. Nicotine. Which country had the world first woman prime minister? Sri Lanka. Gestapo was the secret police of Germany. Which princely states was the Bahawalpur first to formally accord to Pakistan? Bahawalpur. MS Yomin Lari, a reception of Sitara Imtiaz is a famous name in the field of architecture. Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park is one of the biggest projects for the solar power generation in Pakistan, but it is located in Bahawalpur. Baghdad Bardurgal Hall was the venue of some of the most important events in the history of Pakistan. India, in which city is located in Lahore? Among the following, which is the oldest English language newspaper of Pakistan? Dawn. According to the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan, the Prime Minister is elected by the National Assembly. Bangladesh separated from Pakistan in December 1971. When did Pakistan extended recognized of Bangladesh? February 1974. The first space shelter launched by United States on April 12, 1981 was named Columbia. Blood leaves heart thoughts article. The main arteries having the left ventricle is called aorta. A hyperlink is a word phrase that when clicked Hazrat Amna mother of Holy Prophet is buried in Abwa. ठीक है. Bronchitis is a disease related to respiratory tract. The functioning of loudspeaker depends upon size and shape. How introduced price control system in India first time? Al-Uddin Khilji. River Rhine flow in Germany. Habits of Seven Habits of High Effective People was written by Stephen Covey. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Before Damascus, which city was the capital of Muslim Empire? Kufa. Bahtat is the currency of Thailand. Morocco is the Muslim country located in Africa. Morocco is the Muslim country. The smallest country in order of population is Vatican City. रबी क्रॉप्स ये गलती हो गई है. मोरक्को इज द मुस्लिम कंट्री लोकेटेड इन अफ्रीका. ये वाला ठीक है, दूसरे वाला नहीं ठीक. रबी क्रॉप्स आर सोwn in October November. Russian withdraw from Afghanistan under the Geneva Accord. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography Nelson Mandela. Zabur was revealed upon Hazrat Dawood. General Abdul Fattah al-Sisi is the president of Egypt. Per capita water availability in Pakistan is decreasing. Sivika was the secret agency of Iran. The capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Again, where is Goma University located? Dera Ismail Khan. Again, Buckingham Palace is the residence of Queen of England. Buckingham Hall Palace जो है. Again, Netherlands is the new name of Holland. Out of the following literacy figure, how represent Pakistan in the UN? Patrus Bukhari. The first general election in Pakistan was held in 1970. The Roman numeral XV1 means 16. White flags is known as a symbol of peace. Al Taksim Square is situated in Istanbul. Who was the last Governor General of Pakistan? Sikandar Mirza. In 1965, Indo-Pak War continued for 7 days. Who was the only Vakupa president in the history of Pakistan? Nurul Amin. Chamba Bridge is constructed on the river of Indus. The translate of Holy Quran to Persian for the first time, Shah Wali Ullah, who was understood by Alfiya, land conquered by Muslim which became the property of Islamic states. Cambodia means an eaters of flesh. In Punjab, two labor appellate tribunals are established at Labour and Multan. The Punjab Industries Election Act 2010 extends to the whole of the Punjab. Laissez phrase means non-interference of state in economy. Renowned novelist Ernest Hemingway belonged to Colombia. Azerbaijan is located in Central Asia. The branch of the medicine dealing with skin is called dermatology. Which Urdu poet was given Lenin awarded by the ex-USSR government? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Okay, Bargu is the capital of Czech Republic. The theory of population was propounded by Thomas Robert, wherein Hesitage was the Governor General of India. Guglielmo Guglielmo Marconi invented radio. Second president of the US is the John Adams. Albert Einstein is the best known for the theory of relativity. Aristotle was the teacher of Alexander. Printing press was invented by Johann Gutenberg. 38 parallel is the boundary line between North Korea and South Korea, in which city was first Islamic conference held Rabta. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Razia Sultana. What comes to mint with the name of Nell or Armstrology Moon? 10th Downing Street in the official residence of Prime Minister of UK. The Roman normal XX means base. Again, bona fide means acting in good faith. Again, how was the Prime Minister of Pakistan when first martial law 1950s was declared? Feroz Khan Noon. The constitutional reforms introduced British India in the year 99 are general reforms as to Mulray-Mantoux reforms. Mr. Jinnah presented his 14 point in March 1999 in Muslim language in Muslim League session held at Delhi. Who was the only vice president in the history of Pakistan? Maulana Zafarullah Khan. YU was the foreign minister in the interior government of British Indian from before the partition. Jawaharlal Nehru. Rawalpindi conspiracy case was un- unearthed in 1951. Who was appointed Prime Minister of the imposition of martial law in 1958? Ayub Khan. The members of RCD words Pakistan, Iran, and Turkey at the time of independence in 1949, which is the biggest city of Pakistan, Karachi. According to the Islamic principle of inheritance, a male share in decrease father property while the vice with the female is two times. Who was the first Umayyad Khalifa? Hazrat Ammar. Umayyad Khalifa Hazrat Ammar Muawiyah. Jamaat Jamia al-Azhar is located in Kahira. Jamila al-Azhar. Which surah was the first to the revealed upon Prophet Muhammad Surah Al-Halaq. Export in chemicals and sugar had dash a phenomenal rise. The years registered under the Constitution. Labor is the concerned subject. The fundamental rights and enforceable thoughts, the Supreme Court, the High Court. लेकिन अब तो आईनी अदालत बन चुकी है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कोर्ट बन चुका है, अब तो वो है मेरे ख्याल में 27वीं अमेंडमेंट के बाद. The Majlis Shura Parliament consists of the President, National Assembly and the Senate. If the Prime Minister intends to resign, he may addressing the resignation to the President. The lower house of Parliament is National Assembly. The Governor is appointed by the President. The session of Senate is presided over the Chairman. The Chief Election Commission is appointed for a term of 3 years. ये 3 साल का होता है, लेकिन जो मौजूदा है ये तो बहुत 5 साल हो चले हैं इनको. The constitution of Waller Bridge shall result in threats to defense measures. Sir Creek donates an island in Indian Ocean. Kashmir is important because of strategic location. Diplomatic relation between Pakistan and Afghanistan were served in 1961. Hafth 3 missile is also called Ghazvini missile. National reconciliation ordinance (NRO) was promulgated in the year 2007. The province with the longest coastline, Balochistan, the juncture where two segments of the river Nile, known as the Nilan, joins together, is in Sudan. Egypt is situated in the continent of अफ्रीका। ठीक है नादरीन, आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी, एमसीक्यूज और भी हैं, लेकिन वो अगली वीडियो में मैं हल करके आपको बताऊंगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना है। ठीक है, फिर हाजिर होंगे किसी नई वीडियो के साथ। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज।